Action.
Good people out there, welcome to Fresh TV, where the best entertainment news happens. Today we have 3 issues we're going to talk about. A lot going on in social media these days, and we are going to say it as we always do here. Alright, first story, people. Shatta Wale and Wizkid. I hope you all heard what's going on last week. I think this week has been very, very stressful for a lot of us because it's like the tweets keeps coming in and then the like and the conversation keeps going on in circles. But today we are here to talk about it, about Shatta Wale and Wizkid. Alright, so let's deal with that. Shatta Wale jabs Wizkid that he doesn't see him as a celebrity or like a superstar, big superstar. That's the right words he used, big superstar. And people, I think the Nigerian people are going gaga about the whole thing. They don't understand why Shatta Wale should say that. But in this song Shatta Wale did for Timaya and Pato Rankin, he emphasized that he didn't diss anybody. He only said he doesn't see Wizkid as a superstar. And I can't think far, honestly. I can't think madness. Because I don't know why people are making the whole thing noise about the whole thing, because he didn't diss, he only expressed himself. And we all know Shatta Wale to be doing that all the time. You understand? So if he says he doesn't see him as a superstar, and you guys see him as your god or your whatever you see him, it's up to you guys. You can appreciate him like that. But maybe some Ghanaians might even see Wizkid as a good artist or a superstar, but Shatta Wale doesn't see him as such. And I don't think they should create any controversy between these two beautiful nations of ours. So, and in link to that one too is another story going around that most Ghana bloggers are quiet and mute about the whole thing, including some celebrities. But first, let's tackle the bloggers who are not saying anything about the thing. I went on YouTube this afternoon to check on the news and info about the whole thing, and quite surprisingly, all the people who have blogged or sent some videos on YouTube and stuff are Nigerians, Central Africa, South Africans, and I'm like, whoa, where are my Ghanaian people? Where am I getting? Because the accounts they're giving are all not credible, because some are trying to even portray or suggest that Shatta Wale is nowhere near the people he's trying to attack. So I think he's looking for fame, and we all know what Shatta Wale is made of. That guy is doing big these days. In recent times, I think he's the hottest artist now on the African continent. You might not agree with what I'm saying, but it's the fact. Check it around, because the guy is moving all over the globe, all around the globe, doing a lot of good stuff, doing good music, and then supplying the people what they need. So I don't really get the long and tail of what people are saying about that. He's attacking them for fame. He doesn't need anybody's fame. Like he said, he doesn't need Wizkid attention for anything. He's doing the thing he knows he does best. All right. So on the celebrities, Ghana musicians, Ghana entertainment bloggers, and all the people who are trying to keep mute on the whole thing too. This for you from a page that I read. People are like, where are my people to support Shatta Wale? You know, I think most of you guys out there are trying to play safe. Like, oh, my friend is P Square, I know the bunch, Basket Marv is my co-worker, so like, you know, you don't want to say anything to offend anybody, but I don't think that is it. You see, Shatta Wale just spoke about Wizkid, and then boom, see Timaya coming out, boom, see Pato Rankin saying something and rebutting what he said. But we should also do same. You know, we think these are the things people do, and then makes others think that Ghanaian music industry or the Ghanaian entertainment industry is not one. The people in it are not one, but we are one. Nigerians, there are diverse opinions and they differ from one thing or the other. But you see, when it comes to issues globally, they attack it together, and then it makes the volume of the attack very big and huge, you know. So I think Ghanaian celebrities should stand out and then speak out for us to know what they do, what they think about the whole thing that is going on. I would be happy to hear Sarko there saying something, Stonebwoy saying something like, hey guys, you guys for DG, you have to be JD Ghana. So you should say something at least. You can't just keep mute and make Shatta Wale alone fight, of course. But what Shatta Wale is doing, I think he's doing it for the whole Ghana music industry and the Ghana entertainment industry, because what he's doing there is breaking market. People are going on YouTube trying to check who Shatta Wale is, and so guys, you guys also have to step up and then maybe use this opportunity to get some fans in Nigeria. Maybe, who knows, they might call you for a show or something. Then some good money might come out of it. You understand? So to you, our bloggers, our celebrities, speak out for us. You are the ones that are leading. We are supporting you, buying your tickets, coming for your shows, and this is the time we want to stand out and speak for the country. Peace. That's all we have for you tonight, and we are out of here like that. See you next time, same place on Fresh TV. We out. See ya.